Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel. So this is the second, well, thank you for coming on this journey with me. I usually never wear makeup, but I'm just so sick of, letting my deep skin, not dark, but deep skin stop me from, getting some makeup on. So I've decided to, you know, find whatever foundations that I can mix up or work with to look a little flawless. So yes, this video that you're about to see is about me mixing and blending some foundations to get this look. And normally I don't like too much color as far as my eyelid. I usually don't actually wear any kind of color, but today I try to be a little bit bold. So yeah, welcome, and let's get into the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, let me know what you think, ask me any questions, and I will definitely tell you. So yeah, subscribe. Bye. Yeah, so here you see me about to do my eyebrows, and I used a Black Opal's concealer. And I think the color was, let's see. Oh, I had it in here. All right, so let's see if I can read this. Okay, so the color was, excuse me, chocolate or chocolate or chocolate. Yeah. And I just use that for my eyebrows. And then of course, as you can see, I had to mix two foundations to get that color, to get that red undertone, this color that you're looking at as far as the foundation. And the ones that I used was the L'Oreal C11, and then this brand Stay, made by Rimmel London. I mixed both of them to get this this red undertone, warm foundation that you see looking at me blend. And of course, it's exhausting just beating your face. So yeah, just blending away. And actually, they weren't that expensive. I think the Stay I paid like maybe $7-8, and then the L'Oreal, I'm sure probably was maybe $11. So it wasn't so expensive. Yeah, so yeah, as I was saying, this is my first time ever. And then of course, I used the same concealer to highlight my under my eyes, and of course my nose and my chin and the rest. Yeah, so now I'm just trying to just blend all of it together so that, So yeah, as I was saying, I'm usually not a big makeup person because, you just could never find anything worthwhile to complement your skin tone. So yeah, so this is after beating and getting it all blended. Now I'm about to just apply a little bit of color. Like I was saying, I'm not a big color person, and I just shy away from it because, I'm always thinking, oh, it's not gonna match my skin tone. I'm gonna look weird. I'm gonna look like a clown. I'm gonna look crazy. But I've watched enough videos to see, okay, let me try, maybe something will work for me. And just as long as I'm not too loud with it, too crazy with it, I am by no means professional, or I'm just an amateur person trying colors that will complement my skin, so yeah, let's see how that goes. Yeah, so yeah, I just I kept blending. I think it was a pink color, and that palette that I just showed you was about maybe $12. and I think it was made by, anyway, it was called Festive. $12. I bought it at Walmart. So yeah, there you go. And so there were just two colors that I blended, and I think one was the pink that you were looking at, and then right there, my brow bone, it was a nice little, highlight. I was trying to highlight that, and that was a different shimmery color. So yeah, and then I think after I was satisfied with that, I just used another color to offset the pink a little bit, which I think was a blue color. So, yeah. It's a process. It's a process of learning, and of course, as I was saying, it's a journey. It's a process. You do the best you can. Or you mix and match colors and hopefully find something that really, really complements your skin. It's like, second skin. Like you look flawless without looking like you just, you have cakes and cakes of makeup on your face, which I'm not trying to go for. So, and that was that blue that I was talking about. Just kind of offset the pink a little bit. And it was a very light, not too bright, not too loud, kind of mauve pink. But I liked it. I wasn't trying to go too wild or too crazy with it. Yeah, I think I was liking it there. But yeah, comment below. Tell me what you think about the actual foundation and the color of it. If you have somebody, if you're somebody that have my skin tone or has my skin tone like really, really dark or deep, let me know what you think about the foundation first of all. And it's sad that I had to, blend or mix two foundations just to get a color that will semi-look, okay on my face. So yeah. But yeah, I was feeling it there a little bit. Not so bad. And of course I couldn't find the brush that I was looking for. Finally found it. So yeah, it was quite interesting. Interesting journey. I know there's a lot of steps that I didn't do, like even set it or like use a powder to set it and then use a setting spray to just set all the makeup together. I didn't do all that because I didn't put too much. I didn't feel like I put too much makeup on, so I just kind of didn't do some steps that I didn't necessarily. So. Yeah. Oh, that was a pretty blue. I wasn't sure whether I showed that to you.